Hello, as you can see, we're at the Classroom Toolbox page, and I'm just going to zoom it in as requested. You can see it a little bit clearer. So here is the URL that's associated with the oath screen. Okay, so I've cleared all the permissions and I'm going to start the signing process. So I'm going to choose my account. And as you can see, there's the client IDs are up here. Here is the list of all the permissions. Okay, and the name of the application. Okay, and then I'm going to click allow. And it is used to pull classroom information in, and we can look at the classrooms themselves. This will allow us to manage the classrooms as a super admin. So this is the API in work. It's used the teacher APIs, the invite APIs, the student APIs. It's used the assignment APIs. Okay. That. And then for the Sheets API, which is the only additional change I've requested since the last verification, we'll work with reports, with group reports, where we have some dummy information in here about our students. And again, all this is being brought through from APIs. Here's the Google Sheet API, and I'm just going to click on this one. It brings up some information for the user, and then I'm going to create the Google Sheet. And as you can see, it's used the Google Sheets API to create a sheet. I hope this answers all of your questions. Thank you very much.